What if every single human on Earth jumped at the exact same time? Would we shake the planet, or would nothing happen? Imagine this. All 8 billion people packed into one massive space, shoulder to shoulder. No gaps, no distance. Just one countdown. 3, 2, 1. We all jump. For a split second, humanity is airborne. And believe it or not, we actually push the Earth. Because of Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when we push down, the Earth pushes back. But here's the problem. The Earth is massive. Even if all 8 billion of us jumped at once, we'd only move it by less than the width of a single atom. That's so small. It's basically nothing. And the moment we land, everything resets. Okay, but what about earthquakes? If billions of people slammed back down at once, could that shake the ground? Not really. Even huge crowds jumping together barely create measurable vibrations. To cause a real earthquake, you'd need millions of times more people than exist. Meanwhile, natural earthquakes can actually change the Earth's rotation. They shift so much mass, they can slightly shorten the length of a day. Humans? We don't even come close. But here's the crazy part. Every time you move, you do affect the Earth. Gravity pulls you down, but you also pull the Earth up with the same force. It's just too small to notice. So no, we can't shake the planet, but you are moving it right now. So here's the real question. What would it take to actually shake the Earth?